When your Fire Stick remote is lost or broken, the Amazon Fire TV app becomes your primary solution for regaining control of your device. The solution is the Amazon Fire TV app, available for both Android and iOS devices. This free app transforms your smartphone into a fully functional Fire TV remote. The first critical requirement is that your phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network that you want your Fire Stick to connect to. This is essential for the app to detect and communicate with your device. Once you open the Fire TV app, it will automatically detect your Fire Stick on the network. A 4-digit pairing code will appear on your TV screen that you need to enter into the app to establish the connection. After successful pairing, you can use the app to navigate to Settings, then Network on your Fire Stick. From there, select your desired Wi-Fi network and enter the password using the app's virtual keyboard. The Fire TV app enhances your streaming experience beyond just remote control. It provides simple navigation, a full keyboard for text entry, voice control capabilities, and quick access to your favorite apps and games. When the Fire TV app doesn't connect properly, there are several troubleshooting steps and alternative methods you can try. First, try these basic troubleshooting steps. Make sure both your phone and Fire Stick are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, disable any VPN connections, and restart both devices. If your Fire Stick has never been connected to Wi-Fi, use the mobile hotspot method. Create a hotspot on another phone using the same network name and password as your intended Wi-Fi network. The Fire Stick will automatically connect to this familiar network, allowing your Fire TV app to establish a connection. If your TV and Fire Stick both support HDMI CEC, you can use your TV remote to control the Fire Stick and access network settings. Make sure HDMI CEC is enabled in your TV's Expert Settings menu. This feature allows one remote to control multiple connected devices. Third-party apps like CDisplay offer alternatives to the official Fire TV app. These apps provide similar remote control functionality and can sometimes be more reliable. Once connected through any of these methods, you can access your Fire Stick's network settings and configure your Wi-Fi connection normally.